Hello, my name is Nicole, and I would like to share with you a way that I make money via the internet. One thing that I enjoy doing is writing, and so therefore I decided that I wanted to take all the writings that I ever wrote and put them on web pages that would pay me not only upfront for my writings but also residual income. So what I did was I gathered all of my writings and I scanned those that I could scan and retyped them, and then those that were saved on disk, I simply copied and pasted and then uploaded to the websites that were interested in paying me for my work. Now, you can do the same thing. Simply go through your files at home and take a look at some of the writings that were never published anywhere. Then what you're going to do is research different websites that pay you for your writing. Once you get to the website, many of them will give you an option. You can either write whatever the topic is that they want you to write about and then get paid that way, or you can come up with your own subject and get paid. Then over time what will happen is after you have been paid up front, usually anywhere from $1 up to $20 depending on the website, then what you will want to do is sit back and you'll notice that work that you have done weeks, maybe even months or years ago will begin to accumulate in monies, and then before you know it, you have some additional money coming into your PayPal account. Now, this is a very simple way of making money, and I suggest that you do research on article writing and or article marketing, because once you write your article, you will need to market it so that you can be able to get higher residual income. There are plenty of sites out there that will pay you residual income if there is clicks to the advertising that is around your article. If there are clicks, then they will pay you for those clicks. So with that information, hopefully this will get you on your way to making some extra money via writing articles. Thank you and have a great day.